everyone, we've got me and we've got Megan. My name is John, and today we are going to be talking about like 17 items that we sold on eBay. Holy crap, we've sold a ton of stuff over the past couple of days, and we are going to talk about it. If you like videos like this, go down below and hit that like button and maybe even subscribe to the channel. We're happy to have you. And let's get right into the video. First item that we sold, Francis.
It's actually a Bonanza item.
The first item that we have here is actually a Bonanza item. As she said, it is a charger. We list all of our stuff on Bonanza. We cross-post everything. Like everything starts out on eBay, we list it there, and then Bonanza imports our stuff, and they just import it straight into their site, and then sometimes people buy something. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. We have a link down below if you're interested. You can go over there and register on Bonanza. You can connect eBay and Bonanza together, and then it will just automatically import your items, and guess what? You sell stuff. We have about 2,800 items on eBay, so with us having that many items, we only sell probably about 5 or 6 items a month at best. So just keep that in mind. It's not something that's going to like make you rich, but it will buy you a couple Chinese food meals, so that's what I'm always worried about. Next item. The next item that we got is a CD from the Who Gives a Crap About These CDs lots, because nobody you've ever heard of. This is Joe Crone Organ Combo Living Large, and there we go. How much it sell for?
$6.95 plus shipping.
$6.95 plus shipping on top. How you like them apples and Crohn's? We got the Crohn disease. Okay, the next item we have here is the basic B word eyeshadow. We're selling them like it's going out of style, and we sold it for how much?
It was $16.38 plus a penny shipping.
Plus a penny shipping. My wife loves to remind me about that penny. So it's
fun fact, I'm actually
she is wearing her basic B word eyeshadow. So it's $16.39 shipped.
Because I actually like it.
The next item that we have here is our Mickey Mouse. I can't remember where I bought this. I think, did we pick this at a yard sale or something like that?
Maybe.
I don't know. I didn't pay much for it. I want to say I paid like $2 or $3 for it. It was still in the original box, so it was a no-brainer. When you find Mickey Mouse in the box for $2 or $3, you bought it. How much did it sell for?
$15 plus shipping.
$15 plus shipping. The next item that we have here is a couple of Barney the Dinosaur books. There are 2 of them. It's Barney Eats Santa Claus. It's horrible. You wouldn't want to let the kids read it. But how much did they sell for?
$6 plus shipping.
$6 plus shipping. Nom, 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 nom.
Computers.
The next item that we have over here, I'm not going to pick it up. It's one of these old computers that I sell. We sold it for $120 plus shipping. It's a Pentium 4. It's probably from the late 90s, early 2000s. I'm not exactly sure when Pentium 4 was a thing. But we sold it for $120 plus shipping, and I think I paid like $2, $3 for it, or someone gave it to me. A lot of times people give me those old computers, and I can deal with that because $120, I'm taking the whole family out to the Chinese food buffet. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here is a little drone. I sold it for parts. I didn't want to throw it away. The remote and the drone I figured was worth about $9. I don't know what it was worth running, but this is missing a propeller. So I'm selling it for parts. And how much did it sell for?
It sold for $9 plus shipping.
$9 plus shipping. So, hey, not too bad. Okay, guys, the next item that we have is another CD from the crappy CD lot. And it is somebody by the name of Eddie Roberts and the Fire Eaters. And the name of the CD is Burn. How original. I guess that would really give you some bad indigestion. I don't know what kind of Tums you would have to take for eating fire. But you'll have to ask Eddie Roberts. I'm sure he's somewhere in the world. How much did it sell for?
$20 actually.
Woo! Eddie Roberts, $20. Well, somebody must care about Eddie. Okay, guys, the next item that we have is the CD. They're 3.3¼ inch or whatever they call them. 2 disc holders, 3.5 inch. The old school, when you were going to school back in 1990, probably about 92 through like 98, 99, early 2000s, you took them little floppy disks and you had to store them in something because you didn't want them to get crushed in your backpack. That's where you put them. How much did they sell for, Francine?
$12.95 plus shipping.
$12.95 plus shipping. I'd have never thought it. They were really cool too. They were like plastic with like sparkles in them. So I mean, you can't go wrong with plastic and sparkles, people. Okay, guys, the next item that we have is a little lion. Look at him on this little perch. Super cute. Love him to death. How much did he sell for? $13 plus shipping. That's absolutely fantastic. Okay, guys, the next item that we have for sale here is a book and DVD set. It's Jesus and his Jewish influences. I would guess he would be heavily influenced by Jewish people because he was Jewish. But he was God, so who knows. Anyways, how much did it sell for?
$20 plus shipping.
$20 plus shipping in your face, because that's $20 in my pocket. The next item that we have here is a Nintendo 64 game. This is NFL Blitz 2000. We had a lot of people making stupid offers on this, anything from like $6 to $7. I think we finally took an offer for how much? 12. So don't always take them low, stupid offers. Sometimes you got to hold out. And then you make $12. I paid $4 for it at the flea market. So I made $8. Not quite $8 after. Okay, this, my wife said this is me. It's the wide mouth. I guess she's trying to say I got a big mouth. A wide mouth canning jars. And there are 36 of them here. And I sold a lot of them the other day. Canning jar, wide mouth canning jar lids must be hard to find again. Because now I'm starting to sell the ones that I had put back. And I bought these at a yard sale for like a couple of dollars a box. How much do they sell for?
$20 plus shipping.
Woo! Okay, guys. We've got a hat that we sold. It's the Ozark Mountain Christmas hat. Looks beautiful. If we put it on Francine, look at her in her trucker hat. Looks like Mario back there. Trucker hats do really good. This one sat around for a while until it was Christmas time. How much did it sell for?
$12 plus shipping.
$12 plus shipping on top. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here are these track pieces that came out of the Rail King box. When I bought this box here, it was completely full. And now it's completely empty. It's going to go upstairs and go to the trash can because we sold everything out of it. And we made really good money. And we sold these tracks. How much did we sell them for?
$20 plus shipping.
$20
for 8 pieces.
Plus shipping, and we sold 8 of those in a lot. They're real heavy, though. It's really weird, real heavy. The next item that we have here is this Invicta. I guess that's how you say it. Special edition. These are like watch... it was supposed to be a watch in the box, but it's not there, and there's like one bracelet missing, one watch band, but the little tag is there, and so we sold this because people love boxes. And how much do we sell it for?
$8 plus shipping.
$8 plus shipping. We're not getting rich off of it, but I think I paid like $2 for it at an estate sale, because I've got a couple items coming up that we went to this one estate sale and we actually did pretty good. We didn't go to like. We went on the first day. Everything was way too high, but we did buy some stuff. We went on the last day, I think, and maybe we went 3 times. We went like once. They do 4 days, so we did like bam, bam, and then the last day we showed up. And this is some of the stuff that we got on the last day. I think some of the stuff that's coming up.
I think this was this in that like plastic tote thing with the other Invicta
No, it
stuff?
wasn't. No, that was on the jewelry table.
Oh.
But we haven't sold any of that stuff yet. But only paid that whole Invicta tote, that plastic tote. It was all like, I paid like $4 for it, so that was pretty good. She's dropping stuff, folks. Okay, the next item that we sold here is this Invicta pin.
No, Levenger.
Levenger pin, super pretty there. And how much did it sell for? $30 plus shipping, and I want to say I paid like $4 for it. Okay, guys, the next item that we have here is this Levenger notebook. It's black and blue with like paisleys on it. It comes with a super nice dust cover here that you can see. It gets covered up. Looks pretty. Nice little box. How much did that bad boy sell for?
$60 plus
$60, and I think I paid again $4 or $8 for it. So
yeah, I think it might have been. Was it $8 before it was half off?
Yeah, and I can't believe I missed it on that first day. I don't know. Sometimes things happen. Okay, the next item that we have here, the next Levenger item, is this really nice little black snappy tote thing. You like put your pins in there. I guess Levenger makes pins. And it's real pretty inside. Like yeah, they make those pins.
I guess you could put like a notepad in there.
Yeah, and it has like these blue checkers there. And it's just cool. It's just cool. How much did it sell for?
$50 plus shipping.
$50 plus shipping. So like that estate sale for us was a pretty good home run. We sold a lot of really good stuff out of the stuff that we bought, and I'm pretty excited. Okay, the last item that we have here, and this came from the estate sale too. It's some kind of stone. It's real cold, real cold. Stone, I don't know if it's alabaster, soapstone. Maybe there's some alabaster in there. I'm not exactly sure. But it was made in Italy. Absolutely beautiful. It's black. Gorgeous box. Nice little hinge right there. I didn't pay much for it. How much did it sell for?
24 plus shipping.
Yeah, I think I paid like $2 for it. I think it was like 4 or maybe 8. So I either paid $4 or $2 for it. So I'll take that. That's pretty good profit for me. It's in my profit range, if you will. And is that all the items that we have?
Yep.
Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We did 17 items. I'm not going to bore you. I just want to tell you real quick that we appreciate you for watching, and we hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye, Francis.
Bye, Francis.